Hey guys, Betty here with Carblessly Delicious Butternut Squash, which gives you the identical sweet candied sensation of candied yams without the sugars and significantly less carbs than yams. Meet me in the kitchen and I'll show you how quick and easy it is to put this dish together. All ingredients are listed in the description for you. Guys, as you all know, anything that's candied is sweet and loaded with sugar, but not in our case. I want to quickly point out here we'll be using stevia sweetener and Truvia brown sugar blend, which are both keto friendly and excellent for diabetics, proven not to have any impact on spiking blood sugars or insulin levels. The Truvia brown sugar blend is made with erythritol containing only 4 grams of carbs. Half a cup of Truvia contains 210 calories, equivalent to the same sweetness as 1 full cup of brown sugar at 830 calories. And of course, we'll also be using pure butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla extract, and maple extract. Guys, once you cut your squash open, you'll see that the rounded bottom part of the squash contains seeds, just like a pumpkin. We're just going to take our spoon here and scrape around the surface to pull out those seeds. Really, guys, just scoop those seeds right out. Real easy, real simple, just like this. Now, the size and the awkward shape of the butternut squash can be somewhat awkward to handle. I find it easier to cut my squash down into thirds first by cutting off the rounded bottom and then splitting that in half. Makes it so much easier to handle while peeling. So spare yourselves the agony in the kitchen, my lovely friends, and cut your squash down to smaller and more manageable sizes to reduce that intense labor, honey. We want to work smart in the kitchen and not what? That's right, we don't want to work hard in the kitchen, but we do want to be effective. Next, we're going to cut our slices. Sometimes I like to cut my squash into square cubes, but today I'm going to go for that moon shape to give our dish a larger profile. You know, it's the holiday. We're going to switch things up a bit to create that visual appeal. And guys, of course, let the spirit lead you. Freedom in your kitchen. You can cut your slices any way you want. Put your special hook on it, but keep one thing in mind. Make sure that all your cuts are consistent in the thickness so that it can cook evenly. I usually like to go with a thicker slice like this because squash tends to soften much quicker than yams. So you have to be careful not to overcook it. And I feel like the thicker cuts will hold its shape better. And now for our spices. Pour in 1 cup of sweetener. Again, I'm using stevia. Half a cup of Truvia brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of pure butter. 1 tablespoon each of vanilla extract and maple extract. 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Go ahead and fold your squash to combine with all these lovely spices. Now, we don't have to add any water or anything. The squash will release its own natural waters to blend with the sugars to form a nice caramelization. All we have to do is cover these babies and let them be. Reduce the heat to a simmer and just let it do its thing. Being careful not to overcook. Squash is more watery than potatoes, so they will soften much quicker than yams. So we can just go ahead and let them cook slowly under low heat. And that's basically it. Very simple, guys. With delicious makeovers like this, we can still enjoy the traditional side dishes served during the holidays while eating healthy and managing our carbs. Do me a favor, guys. Giving this video a thumbs up will help my channel tremendously so I can continue to inspire you to eat healthy and to live your best life. This video is part 1 of my 5-part Thanksgiving series featuring low-carb makeovers for the top 5 side dishes to make your Thanksgiving dinner complete. You can catch this series by clicking here. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss out on future recipes. God bless you and may He keep you all in perfect health. Goodbye.